Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making the giant chicken cutlet that I saw on Instagram. Let's go! Okay, I got a pound of ground chicken. I'm throwing it in a bowl. Teaspoon garlic powder. Teaspoon onion powder. Teaspoon kosher salt. About half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Throwing them all together. We're going to mix this until it's just combined, whatever that means. So everybody's going to get to know each other. We don't want to mix it too much because it'll toughen the meat, but we also don't want to mix it not enough because then you'll get pockets of seasoning rather than, seasoning. You want a big sheet of parchment paper and you want a baking sheet or a sheet pan. We're going to generously sprinkle that with flour. Also, whenever they say generously, I never know how generous I'm supposed to be. Am I like a regular person? Am I Scrooge McDuck? What am I doing? We're going to whisk 2 eggs. 1. 2. And we're whisking them, like I said. Okay, now we're placing this on the sheet. And we're going to very slowly spread it into an oval, very thin, just like a pounded chicken cutlet would look if we were to pound it. I am noticing that if you go too thin, it does start to break apart. We also want to get a bunch of panko ready. Go ahead, and our 2 eggs, we're just going to start slopping them on, egg wash style. And I don't feel we needed to be quite as generous with our flour as we were. That's the problem I have with most of these kind of recipes. Generously flour and work service. Why don't you tell me how much that is? Then we're using as much of the panko as we feel comfortable using. Just go on, press it in. Now I'm seeing where that extra flour really helps, so that's fine. I'm happier now. This is avocado oil spray. And we're just going to blast it with the avocado spray. People use the avocado oil because it is a healthier fat. Okay, we've got this second piece of parchment paper, which we're going to line up on top. So we can flip. I saw this guy in this video do this. Like this. Let's see if it works. Voila, as they say. Now we're back over here. And we're just gonna go ahead and wash everybody on this side. 2 eggs feels like too much, but that's okay. I'm not gonna tell whoever made this recipe that they're wrong. They're probably right. Maybe it'll be fine once it soaks in. I don't know. I'm not making scrambled eggs over here, man. Okay, sprinkle some more panko on. We're pressing it in. I was skeptical. The instructions said to use the entire tube. I did not think that would work. It, in fact, is the amount you need, to be honest with you. Spray it again. Spray it as much as you want to spray it. I don't care. And we're going to stick this in our 450 degree oven for 15 minutes. It says convection. I don't have that. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. That's what we got. Okay, from here, we're supposed to stick it in the broiler for 5 minutes. So we're going to do that. I have cut around the parchment paper in hopes that it will not catch fire. And it says to do this for 5 minutes, but to watch it. So I'm going to stand here and make sure my apartment doesn't burn down in front of me. And having glanced at it after 20 seconds, I can already tell you it's not going to take 4 or 5 minutes. Not in mine. Okay, I can already tell you 20 to 30 seconds. That's what you get. And you can already, nice and crispy. If you're like me and you're already thinking of an application for this, I'm using the Caesar salad that I made yesterday. And I'm just putting it on top. I'm letting the dressing do the work. The Caesar salad episode is actually lost. I will have to make another Caesar salad tomorrow. But does it taste like a giant chicken cutlet? Let's see. It does. It's seasoned pretty good too. Go ahead and combine some with my sauce. Yeah, that's worth eating. Not bad for a weekday. And not a lot of work either. Okay. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your favorite cheat meal during the week. And I'll see you next time. Bye.